Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into the video. So today I am going to show you how to do the Barbie trend on TikTok right now. So firstly, what you need to do is to download an app. So just open your app store and download this app right here. And after installing the app on your device, just tap open and then you'll see this on your app. And then we're going to choose this effect right here that says doll, allow access, and then just click on the photo that you want to transform or you want to edit. And after some time, you'll see this on your screen, and then just click on the download. And after editing the video, you will need to click into the link that is in the description below. And the link will lead you into this template right here on CapCut, and then we're going to use this template. And after using the template, this is the outcome. So that is how you do the Barbie trend right now on TikTok. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.